cost arithmetic is the headline out there. The structural driver beneath it, where the computation is permitted to reside, is the part that is most likely to endure. So what do we mean by this? Let's start with the volume paradox. The defining feature of the inference economics this year is that the falling unit prices have not produced falling bills. Over the past 12 months, the headline cost of generating 1 million output tokens has compressed by roughly 3/4, even as aggregate enterprise spend has climbed. The mechanics out here is not mysterious. It is a textbook-driven dynamic in which efficiency gains in a resource expand rather than contract the consumption. Cheaper tokens invite longer context windows, more elaborate prompting, and most consequently, shift from single-shot queries to agentic workflows that can chain dozens or hundreds of model calls into a single task. The hardware vendors put the agentic multiplier at roughly an order of magnitude over the basic retrieval. Now, the scale figures illustrate the trajectory rather than the ceiling. Daily token consumption in China is now measured in hundreds of trillions against a base 3 orders of magnitude smaller 2 years ago, and projections for global monthly usage to the end of the decade sit in quadrillions. Layered on top of this is the cultural phenomena vendors describe as deliberate maximization. Organizations actively pushing staff towards heavier model use as productivity mandate. The result is a cost line that behaves less like software subscription and more like utility bill that scales with institutional ambition. So essentially what we are seeing is that we are moving from meter to an asset.